Hey everyone, today we're making a barbecue bacon cheeseburger loaded with crispy fried onion strings, creamy avocado, smoky bacon, and melted cheese. This burger is packed with flavor, so let's get started. For today, we're using 80/20 ground beef, and I also brought some extra condiments and spices to make these burgers stand out. We're going to go ahead and dice up some of these sweet onions and add that to the ground beef. Once that's done, we'll add some garlic powder, some onion powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of salt and pepper blend. I like to add Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, and a little bit of barbecue. We'll go ahead and get this mixed up nice and good. We'll start forming our burger patties. Let's start rolling these out. I usually do about 8 ounces on mine. We get them nice and symmetrical. And once that's done, I like to add a little thumbprint to mine. This will keep the burgers from balling up. I'm telling you guys are gonna love these things. So now that our burgers are done, let's get our fryer turned on. I bought this thing for $60 on Amazon. So far, no complaints. Now that that's heating up, we'll get started on our onion strings. And we'll use a mandolin to get these sliced nice and thin. So we'll go ahead and make the breading. I got a little flour, a couple tables of cornstarch. I also added some garlic powder. This is smoked paprika. And we'll add a little salt and pepper as well. So let's go ahead and strain these in the strainer, and we'll start the breading process. Toss this in a bowl with the flour mixture. Give it a nice mix. Make sure everything's evenly coated. I'll go ahead and strain the bacon grease and save it for later for another project. So now that our fryer's preheated to 350 degrees, let's go ahead and toss these onion strings in the fryer. We'll sprinkle them around a little bit so they don't stick to each other. And we'll give the basket a little shake. I'm telling you, this thing is really nice to have. I'll leave a link in the description below where to get it. So now that our onion strings have been cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes or until nice and golden brown, we'll go ahead and pull the basket up, let them drain a little bit, and then we'll toss them on some paper towels. Now that our grill's hot, I want to get these burgers down and get them started. Okay, let's get started on some condiments. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this. Got some avocado. Slice that up. Slice up some tomatoes. And a little bit of lettuce. It's up to you. And then we'll get started on our chipotle mayo. This is super easy. It's mayonnaise and chipotle peppers. We'll just give that a quick blend in this food processor. Looks like our burgers are done, so we'll just go ahead and top this off with a little additional barbecue sauce. Top it with this extra sharp cheddar cheese. And we'll go ahead and close this lid for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now that these guys are done, we'll go ahead and pull them off and we will get started building this thing. I have everything laid out here. I have my burgers, my fresh veggies, some jalapeno peppers, my chipotle mayo's done, grilled hamburger bun, bacon, and fried onion strings. I'm also going to add some of these crispy jalapeno. So let's get started building this thing. Got the bottom bun, a little bit of chipotle mayo. Go ahead and put some on the top. We'll start with our green leaf lettuce. We'll throw on a couple of tomatoes, some of those crispy jalapeno chips, one of our burger patties, smoked to perfection, a couple pieces of avocado, 2 pieces of bacon, some more jalapenos because I like everything spicy. And then we'll top it with some of those homemade onion strings. Give it a nice little crunch. I like to do a little bit more barbecue sauce on top. We'll drizzle that over. And we'll go ahead and top this with the top piece of the hamburger bun. I'm going to go ahead and stab this with a knife. Keep it from falling over. Perfect. Well, our barbecue burger wouldn't be a barbecue burger without some garlic fries on the side. So we're going to use the air fryer for this. Cook these for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to keep it simple today. We'll go ahead and get started on cleaning up some garlic. We'll throw it in the food processor, give it a blend, and then we're going to add some of this truffle oil for a little extra flavor, and this will allow the garlic to stick to the fries. Go ahead and chop up some parsley for some garnish and to add a little extra pop to the garlic fries. So now that these are done, we'll toss them in a bowl. We'll add a couple tablespoons of this garlic oil blend. You don't have to use truffle oil. You could use regular oil if that's all you have. A little bit of parsley for color. And some of my salt and pepper blend. Alright, we'll give these a quick toss and we'll add them to our BBQ Bacon Cheeseburger. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Got any questions or feedback? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.